Hey everyone, and welcome back to Art with Katie. This illustration has a heartfelt story that started over in my other channel, Collectibles with Katie. A wonderful collector in Chile won a giveaway prize, a Transformers book nook. But since early on we figured out that sending it to him to his country was gonna be complicated. So the winner chose to receive an illustration instead. You guessed it correctly if you thought I still wanted to send him the actual illustration home, plus the thank you cards and stickers that I always include in my packages. I don't think it's much, and I love to give a little extra love. That's when I took the well-protected package to the USPS and got the shocking quote: over $40 for shipping, plus customs paperwork. This taught me a huge lesson about the dimensions of packing for my future giveaways. I chose my Koi CAC watercolors for this piece specifically for their beautiful fluorescent colors. But here's the major lesson for artists. Fluorescent watercolors do not scan well. Since I couldn't send him the original illustration, I decided to scan it and send it to him digitally. But even with digital manipulation, the colors reflected too much light and looked flat when scanned. I ended up having to digitally change the background colors just to make the final product look decent. It's a true shame, as the digital file doesn't do the actual illustration justice at all. This is why this is the second best option, the first one being sending him the original art. Drawing technical subjects like Mazinger Z is incredibly challenging. Robots are unforgiving of measurement mistakes. If an angle is off, the whole form is lost. I use an erasable Ticonderoga pencil on Bristol paper to lock down the tricky portions before committing to color. I started with the Koi CAC watercolors for the background's nostalgic rainbow gradient. Then, I layer Ohuhu alcohol markers for the metal shading, followed by Artx acrylic markers for the crisp line art and those final bright highlights. This process shows that you don't need just one medium, mixing them adds so much depth. The winner was ecstatic with the digital art. But because of the scanning fail, the original piece is a one-of-a-kind treasure. If you enjoy watching this process and you want to support the creation of more art lessons and beautiful projects, remember to take a look at my digital stores. And please hit like, share, and subscribe. I invite you to join both of my communities. On my Collectibles with Katie channel, we're planning our next giveaway when we hit 2.5k subscribers. And remember, those prizes are always for my collectors. And here, on Art with Katie, we will host our first big art giveaway when we reach 5k subscribers. What do you think I should give away? A custom illustration, art supplies, or one of my journals? Get Stuff Done or literary journal? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep creative, keep safe, and always be kind. And I'll see you soon. Bye!